Hi everyone, I'm happy to see you again. As you know, we have just 2 weeks before the Pranic Festival in Romania, so it's coming up very soon. And I have some news for you and some new vision that I've envisioned about this gathering. During the past week, a lot of things happened, a lot of changes with the Pranic Festival, and new speakers coming in, some of the old speakers coming out, not being able to make it live. So I was looking at the dynamics of this event and what needs to be done. And what I saw is that with the speakers that are going from live to online, it's very beautiful that this is happening. So because it's an opportunity to commune with their communities. So what we're going to do with the Pranic Festival in Romania is we're going to blend and merge communities from all over the world. Not only that we have participants from all over the world coming live at the festival, but we're also going to blend with the communities of each speaker that is going online. So the event will be transmitted in live streaming, is meant to be accessed by the people who are not able to come live. And during the conferences, we can also merge with the communities, with the speakers, so it will be transmitted to their communities as well, and we'll be joining their meditations as well during the festival. So some of the speakers have already agreed that during their retreats or the meditation times, we'll be joining their communities so that we're able to share with each other. Because now is a time of no boundaries, time of no borders. We're no longer of a nationality, you know, Romanians or Spanish or something else. We're part of a global community. We're, as a nationality, we're a citizen of the earth. So it's good to be able to share with each other via online and join our experience, our knowledge and our wisdom together. So that's what we're going to do with the Pranic Festival in Romania. We're very grateful for the speakers who are still coming live, and I myself are going to have a few conferences there. But also it's a great opportunity to join and merge with people from all over the world. If you're still pondering upon coming, there's a link above or below the video where you can still book your place and room. We're looking forward for you to be part of our gathering and share your wisdom with us as we share ours with you. See you soon. This is Cristiana El Traian for the Pranic Festival in Romania, and looking forward to see you there on August 15th. See ya.